Welcome to part one of a resto-mod series for Sebastian. Let's get cracking on his 1995 850 T-5R. Yes, people, I know. It looks like it's ready, but no, it's not. We about to get this car ready for racing. Man, look how good that thing looks in here. Whew. Yes, sir. All right, folks, it is time to get cracking on this T-5R, just like the license plate says. So the things that we got planned for this car is first the manual swap. We're going to replace the turbo. We're going to replace the exhaust manifold. We're going to replace the exhaust, likely the rear main seal, all of the coolant hoses, the radiator. We're going to install a rip kit. We're going to replace the carpet in the rear of the car. It somehow got damaged on prior ownership. Going to do the rear bumper brackets and anything else that's in the way that's in poor condition. So let's get started, cracking, whatever you want to call it. We about to give this car the makeover. Oh, yeah, and of course, it'll have a tune because of the manual swap. Let's get this thing soaked down with some PB Blaster. Yes, this is a very clean, beautiful example of the T-5R. Look at that shift knob. I don't even know if this one is damaged. Feels good all the way around. Let's get this hood open and get to work. Do. It's even pretty clean under the hood. See if it's got a heat shield still. It's even got a heat shield. How about that? So we put this Japanifold on and he'll have a heat shield for it. And here it is. I guess we need to salute it. Had one of them heat shield bolts didn't want to come loose. Had to break out the map gas. And I think we are home free. Tired of breaking off these bolts in the heat shield, man. This sucks. Get you some heat and some PB Blaster. Yes, clean inside and out. Look at that air filter clean. And might I add, it's a Volvo. Whoop, whoop. Let's keep digging. I got them, all three of them. And might I add, this thing has a bracket on it. Got that 12mm bolt too. So this downpipe is officially off of here. It could stay in the car while I drop the engine. Woohoo! Next up, let's go under it and drain some fluids. Don't need to drain the engine oil. I need to drain the transmission and I need to drain the radiator coolant because I got to disconnect the heater hoses from the firewall. We are at the bottom of the oil dipstick. Quart low, probably needs a valve stem seal job. Time for one of my least favorite parts, disconnecting this vacuum hose going over to the intake manifold. We have the wire harness loose and we are about to drop this cradle because we have a lift, folks. Whoop, whoop. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.